One of the ways for you to earn money in dollars as an affiliate is to join a platform that helps you earn commissions in dollars. Now, Namecheap is one of those platforms that help you to get paid in dollars when you promote their programs. And that's why in today's video, I'm going to be showing you step by step how to sign up for Namecheap affiliate programs. In this program, you can get commissions every time you refer a new customer to Namecheap. And I'm going to show you every step to how you can join the platform. If this is your first time of coming onto my channel, I welcome you to this channel. My name is Awajiimamisioto, and on this channel, I teach you how to do stuffs online. I teach you things that you can do that can help you make money for yourself and grow your business. So kindly like this video, kindly subscribe, and make sure to turn on your notification bell so that when I put out more videos, you are going to be notified that I have shared a video. So quickly just do that for me and support me. Okay, so if you have not heard about Namecheap, Namecheap is actually a hosting platform where you can buy cheap domain names and cheap hosting, especially if you want to build a website for your business or for your blog or maybe for your company. You can come to namecheap.com and buy domains at a cheaper price. But the other side of it is that you can also make money from this platform as an affiliate, and interestingly, you can get paid in dollars. It doesn't matter where you are from. Okay, so for you to be part of this program so you can start earning, what you can do is to come to namecheap.com/affiliate, as you can see it on the search bar here. All right, so you type that into the search area and then it will bring you to this place. What this does is that once you get your affiliate link, once you join the affiliate program and get your affiliate link, you can actually promote Namecheap products and get paid. Once people join the platform through your link, you can get paid in dollars, and then you can withdraw it to your bank account. For us to sign up now, what we are going to do is to scroll to the last part of this page. As you can see here, it's telling us how this works. You can access your affiliate account by signing up for one of the affiliate platforms listed below. After your account is approved, you will get access to affiliate text link and banners with your affiliate ID applied. You can share your affiliate link and then you can make money from it. You can watch your commissions grow. So what we are going to do here is to come to this place that says become an affiliate. If you check here, you're going to see that there are two options here. The first option is impact.com, meaning that you can join from these parts here. If you go down, you will see here this button says enroll now. Okay, that's the first option. The second option is to join in through the commission junction. So but for us now, what we are going to do is to join through the impact.com. Okay, so the advantage here is that if you join through Impact, you're going to have more options. There are more options which we are going to see as we progress in this video. So what we are going to do here now is to click on the button that says enroll here. So I'm going to click on it and wait for it to load. So once it loads, you are going to see this. We are going to click on sign up. So once we click on sign up, it will open up this page for us, telling us to read the contract terms for Namecheap. Okay, you can see all of this. Just scroll to the bottom. If you have time, you can read all of this, but for the sake of this video, we're just going to do this very fast. Okay, so what we do now is to scroll to the bottom, and once we scroll to the bottom, you can see this place that says accept. So what we are going to do is to click on accept. So I'll click on accept and wait for it to load. So once we click on accept, it will give us this option to sign up and start earning. Now we are going to, you can either sign up with your email here or you sign up with any of these accounts. If you have Apple, you can sign up with your Apple. If you have Facebook, If you have Google, if you have Twitter or LinkedIn, you can sign up with whichever one you prefer. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to sign up with my Google account. Okay, so I'll click on Google and then I'll wait for it to load. And once it is loaded, you will see here, this is my email. I'll pick it. Once I click on it, I'll wait for it and I'll click on continue. Once I click on continue, it's going to bring up another page for me. Okay, now this is the new page is bringing for me. You can see that my details is already here. So what I'll do next is to pick my number, my phone number. So I'll change this flag here to a Nigerian number. Are you seeing now? Let me scroll down to this place and click on Nigeria. You can see it has changed to the flag of Nigeria. So I'm going to put my number there. I'm going to insert my number there. Okay, good. I've inserted my number and then we click on this checkbox here and click on this checkbox here. Okay, and then I'll click on get started. So we click on get started and wait for it to load. Now it's asking us to enter your verification code. A code has been sent to my email. So I'm just going to go to my email and then click on the code, or I'll come here and insert the code. So quickly, just follow me. Let's go to my email so that we can copy the code and come and insert it here. So let's just, yes, you can see notification at app.impact.com verification. You can see it has sent the verification code. So what I'll do now is to copy the verification code and come over to this place and insert the code here. I'll paste the code here and I'll click on verify. All right, so once I click on verify, it's going to bring up these options for me. What is your primary business model? So I'm going to click on content because I'm a content creator. Okay, and I'll scroll here. I'll click on content creator. Are you seeing this now? Okay, so just follow me and I'll click on continue. Okay, click on continue. And then we'll come here and say, which method do you use to apply to promote? Choose all that applies. So we're going to look at this place now. Add websites, add social media. If you have a website, you click on add website. But since we don't have a website, I'm just assuming if you don't have a website, you come to this place that says add social. So we click on add social and then we'll come here. For me, I have YouTube, I have Instagram, I have Facebook, I have Pinterest, I have most of the websites here, but I'm going to choose just one. I have my YouTube channel. So I'm going to click on my YouTube here and then wait for it to load. Okay, so you can see that my YouTube already is connected to my email account. So it's giving me the option to choose my email account. So I'm going to pick the one that is connected to my YouTube, which is this one that you see here. I'll click on it and wait for it and click on continue again and then wait for it again. So it's telling me activate by impact once. So it's telling me activate by impact wants to access your Google account. So what will I do? I'll click on allow. So once I click on allow, it's going to access my account. Are you seeing it now? Asking me to verify whether I am human. Are you seeing now? So I'll click on the checkbox here to check it and wait for it to load. You can see it's telling me verification successful. Are you seeing now? So we are almost done. We are almost done. Which method do you use to promote? Choose all that apply. I'll still come back here and choose my add social. Are you seeing this now? I'll click here and add social. Click on this again. Click on continue. Allow. Just follow all of this process, all right? Just follow all of these process and then I pick this one and continue. Okay, it's saying tell us about yourself. We'll come here and click on I am an individual. Okay, once I click on I am an individual, you come here, make sure to fill up all of these details. Account display name, let's just say Awajiimamisioto, which is my name. Which of the country are you from? You come here and pick your country. Okay, come here and pick your country. If you're getting value from this video, please kindly like this video and make sure to subscribe. Make sure to turn on your notification bell. Now it's asking me to fill in my mailing address. I'm going to fill this here. All right, follow me. And then my time zone is let me just pick my time zone: Central Africa, West Africa. Good. And then currency, which currency do you want to be paid in? So if you want to be paid in dollars, leave it in dollars. I will advise you to leave it in dollars. And then the last thing to do here is to click on submit. So once I click on submit, you selected USD as your preferred currency. This cannot be updated after proceeding to the next step. Please ensure your currency is correct before continuing. Now let's just take a little while to check it. We check it and it's telling us, yeah. So let's pick USD. We want to be paid in USD. So what we'll do is to click on submit. So once we click on submit, we say okay. All right, and see, is loading already. Okay, your application, you can see this place now is telling us that our application is ready. Are you seeing now? Are you seeing now? This is already done. Are you seeing it now? So they will send all the details to your email. Once you complete this process and you get to this point, they will send all the information that you need to know, including your affiliate links and whatever you need to know about your affiliate program. They will send everything to your email. This is how you can join the Namecheap affiliate program. Very easy to join. And once you join and you have been verified and they send you all your details to your email, what you can do is to start promoting every time you create your content. This is a very simple way to make money for yourself as an affiliate. Okay, if you got value from this video, kindly like this video and make sure to turn on the notification bell. Make sure to subscribe, and if you have questions for me, drop it in the comment section. If you want to learn how to make money online as an affiliate, just go to the link in the description. I'll drop links to other resources. Okay, make sure to check all of that. All right, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Enjoy.